Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. It's where we make everything with love in every stitch. Okay, I'm here with the word of the day for November 9th, which is rainbow. And I'm numbering my videos to let y'all know what number I'm on. Okay, so we're going to remove this. We're going to put this in our little box there. And we're here November 9th. This is the word rainbow. And this is what I got from my rainbow. Okay. I could also use over here, but I like this. So I'm going to do this. And I want this much of the picture here. So I'm going to make a mark. I don't want this on it, but I want this part. So we're going to go right about, let me see, right about there. And now I got to try to find the end. So here's the end there. And here's this part. So now we can cut it out. I'm going to go this way first. And then we're going to trim a little bit here. And right here. And we got our rainbow. Okay. So we're going to glue this on here. And whatever is overhang, I will trim off. Try to get as close to the edge as I can. I'm going to turn it over and trim off whatever overhang. I'm going to leave this here because I can journal right there or put something else depending on what project I use this for, because I'm making ephemera for future projects. So we'll see what happens with this piece. I like it. So this would be all for this one. Maybe. Hang on just a second. Can we take... Yes, we can. So we're going to trim here. And I'm going to show y'all something. Cut this piece off like so. And then I'm going to go right in here. But this time I'm going to use my paper trimmer. Because I want to get right up to that line down there. And I know starting at the top with my scissors, I won't be able to. So, well, no, I think I've glued my thing to the table here. And I want to put this right in there, but I still see some white. Right in here. So I'm going to put my glue here. I'm going to put this on. I'll put it this way. Like so. I'm going to overlap it a little. And we can trim off all the overhang. Okay, now I like it. We got it full with a rainbow. And I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please remember, you're on a channel that makes everything with a love in every stitch. So, please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, be well, have a good Thanksgiving, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.